Hello, everyone. Today I would like to talk about cooking. Cooking may seem like a simple daily activity, but for me, it is much more than that. It is a part of my life, my family, and my culture. Cooking connects people, creates memories, and shows love in a quiet but powerful way. When I think about cooking, I do not only think about food, I think about my mother, my home, and the warm feeling of being together. To be honest, I like cooking, but I do not cook very often. In my family, my mother is the main person who cooks every day. She prepares breakfast, lunch, and dinner for all of us. She has been doing this for many years without complaining. Because of her, our family always has warm meals and a comfortable home. I feel very lucky and thankful to have a mother like her. My mother is a traditional Vietnamese woman. She believes that food is an important part of family life. For her, cooking is not just a duty, it is a way to take care of the people she loves. She wakes up early to go to the market, chooses fresh ingredients, and spends time preparing meals carefully. Even when she is tired, she still tries her best to cook delicious food for the family. Vietnamese food is special, and my mother cooks it very well. Some of the dishes she often makes are fried fish, sour soup, and braised fish. Each dish has its own flavor and meaning. Fried fish is simple but crispy and tasty. Sour soup is fresh and light, perfect for hot days. Braised fish is rich and comforting, especially when eaten with hot rice. These dishes may sound ordinary, but when my mother cooks them, they become something special. When I was younger, I did not think much about cooking. I just ate whatever my mother made. I did not understand how much effort she put into every meal. But as I grew older, I started to notice more. I noticed how long she stayed in the kitchen, how carefully she cooked, and how happy she looked when everyone enjoyed the food. Slowly, I began to respect cooking and the person who cooks. Sometimes, when I want to eat something I really like, I go into the kitchen and cook by myself. I am not a great cook, but I can make some simple dishes. For example, I can cook fried eggs, braised pork, and sour soup. These dishes are easy, but they still require attention and care. When I cook, I try to follow my mother's instructions and remember what she taught me. The first time I cooked by myself, I felt nervous. I was afraid of making mistakes. I worried that the food would not taste good. But when I finished cooking and tasted the food, I felt proud. Even though it was not perfect, it was made by me. That feeling of pride made me want to cook more. When I cook, I feel happy and relaxed. Cooking helps me forget about stress, schoolwork, and problems. When I focus on cutting vegetables, stirring the soup, or frying eggs, my mind becomes calm. Cooking allows me to slow down and enjoy the moment. It is like a small break from a busy life. One of my favorite things about cooking is spending time with my mother. Sometimes we cook together in the kitchen. She teaches me how to prepare ingredients, how to control the fire, and how to season food properly. While cooking, we talk about many things: daily life, family stories, and memories from the past. These moments are very precious to me. Through cooking, I understand my mother better. I see her patience, her kindness, and her love. Cooking together makes our relationship stronger. It is not just about food, but about sharing time and emotions. I believe these moments will stay in my memory forever. Cooking is also a way to show love to my family. When I cook for them, I want them to feel cared for and happy. Even a simple meal can make someone smile. Food can express feelings that words cannot. A warm meal can say, "I love you, I care about you, and you are important to me." In my opinion, cooking is an important life skill. Everyone should know how to cook at least a few simple dishes. Cooking helps us become more independent and responsible. It also helps us understand the value of food and the effort behind every meal. When we cook by ourselves, we waste less food and appreciate it more. Cooking also brings people together. When families cook and eat together, they become closer. Sitting at the same table, sharing food, and talking about the day creates a strong bond. In today's busy world, these moments are very important. They remind us of what truly matters. I feel lucky because I can eat meals cooked by my mother every day. I know that not everyone has this opportunity. That is why I try to appreciate every meal and every moment. Cooking teaches me gratitude and respect. In the future, I hope I can cook better and learn more recipes. I want to cook for my family and maybe for my friends. I want to keep the tradition of family meals and pass it on to the next generation. Cooking is not just about the present, it is also about the future. In conclusion, cooking is a meaningful part of my life. It brings happiness, relaxation, and connection. It helps me show love and build stronger relationships with my family. Through cooking, I learn patience, responsibility, and gratitude. I believe that cooking is not only about making food, but about making memories and sharing love. Thank you for listening. Please leave a comment and tell me why you like cooking or what cooking means to you. I will see you in the next video.
Smells delicious. What? We pay!